If you don't want to be treated like a criminal in the middle of the traffic, make sure your bike has a plate. Bikes without plates are often stolen or used to run from police, which is why officers can come in a bit aggressive at first.
Yankees out here like, oh, just call him. Oh, hell no. Oh, no.
License? I'll take the key, alright?
Alright.
Just pull over to the right. Where's your plate, bro?
It's right over here. I was just taking some pictures with it.
So you know you're being recorded.
Yeah.
You can't have the plate covered like that, man.
Alright. Thank you, bro.
Just have it open up.
Okay, you got it. Thank you.
Oh, here's your key.
Thank you. Look, that was a close call. Back to the vlog, but God, that was close.
So before this interaction starts, these bikers were parked in the spot for about an hour, just chilling and doing nothing wrong, when this cop rolled up and started what the bikers described as harassing them over not having properly displayed plates. From there, the situation got heated fast.
What's up, guys? Where's your plate at?
I'm on the back.
It's on the back.
Yeah.
Alright.
It hits my back tire, so it gets bent, but it's back here.
Okay, well, it's obstructed. So go ahead and take the keys out of the bike.
Bro.
You too. Go ahead, hand me your ID, take your key out of the bike.
Thank you.
You guys see the viral video going around with that Archangel kid? He's like famous Gabriel West.
Can you watch your leg? I don't want
Yeah, I'm
what about him?
I'm that cop that almost towed his bike.
Made him famous.
So I didn't make him famous.
I didn't.
It becomes problematic, and we know that the sports bikes like to run from us. So
Wait, they're not all. Let me just listen. We were sitting here for an hour and you just pulled up for nothing. There were people rev bombing, literally, boom, boom, and you come us.
Okay.
And we were quiet.
No, but that's what's annoying. Because we weren't doing anything wrong, man.
Okay, wait, hold on. What's wrong?
Go pull them over. I'm just letting you know.
Unfortunately, you can't tell me how to do my job.
But do you?
All right, get out of here. Go before I tow your bike. Go.
Have a good night, buddy.
Go to him.
Because you're gonna make
Come on,
me
HQ.
upset.
Come on.
Name and badge number, just letting you.
Smith? Actually, one better. I'll write it down for you.
Perfect, thank you. Make sure that we know each other.
What I got now.
At the end of the day, the best way to avoid problems with police is simple. Ride by the rules, keep your bike fully legal, and stay respectful. Most officers will return the same energy, and sometimes you'll even walk away with just a warning instead of ticket. Unfortunately, this biker still ended up with one.
There's literally a cop right there. Watch. I'm gonna get pulled over. Oh. Is he pulling me over? Aw, he is pulling me over. I knew it.
Pull your vehicle to the left here and stop. Pull it over to this curb and stop. You can leave it, you can walk it right over there and stop. Now come here on the motorcycle.
What the? Here we go. Huh?
Where's your tag?
Okay, I just left. And when I got there, it was hanging, so I had to cut it off. I don't know what's going on here. Like, what do I even do? Why is that so hard? I wonder how long my plate has been like that for.
Okay. I'm here because you're traveling at 63.
Okay.
Okay? When we were up there near 60, that's still 35. And you're going to put it back on because...
I'm literally going home to zip tie it on right now, and then I'm just putting it back. It's this piece right here was like hanging down there, so I had to take it all off and like... But like I promise I put my plate on.
What's the CC of your vehicle?
It's a 636.
636.
Yes. I knew I was going fast too. But why do you have to stop us like right here? I could have just turned in. I think that he thought that I was gonna run.
say about this reasonable? Because I can see all the dirt that's on there that you had. Anyway, so the citation's for 63 and a 35.
Okay.
Let me slow down. I think that's a cute little camera.
Thank you.
Do you watch you driving when?
I have it mainly for just like, it's kind of like a dash cam. Like for safety reasons.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Be with you. You have a good night.
Thank you. You too.
And I applaud you for being a female when driving that thing.
I'm not running all the way behind me.
Guys, any weapons?
Nope.
Okay.
No, that's up.
You have any guns?
No.
Okay. Take your helmets off just so we can talk.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm Sergeant Shovel with Soul Police Department. Listen, there was a report that 4 sport bikes and a white Mustang were screwing around, cutting in traffic, weaving in between cars. Basically, it's a READY report. READY is an acronym, stands for Report Every Dangerous Driver Immediately. Here's the deal, guys. If it's friends that you guys are around, like I can respect that. Okay, just be honest. That's all I'm looking for.
Yes, sir.
I didn't see you guys speeding. I didn't see you guys cutting anybody off. Okay, it's going to be a third-party report. All right, but at the end of the day, I know the weather's nice, and I know it's fun to ride the bikes, and I know it's fun to go fast. Time and place.
Yes, sir.
Is what it comes down to. Okay. Let me take a look at licenses, and I think I ran everybody's plate. Yours was, I think, was a little tucked underneath, so I got to double check it. These two seem to be pretty good. At least you got a good first name or middle name, and it's spelled correctly. That's my first name.
Oh, really?
Did you guys know the other guy that was with you, or is he just riding with you?
The other biker, we just saw him we met him at Circle K back there.
Okay. Well, no warrants. You guys are all valid. You always got the right endorsements. I appreciate all that.
Yes, sir.
Like I said, I didn't see the driving behavior. I could call and get a witness, and actually the witness is good enough to give you guys citations, but I'm not inclined to do that today.
I appreciate that.
Couple reasons why. First and foremost, and I'm being totally honest, you guys stopped. And I'm not going to endanger the motoring public by trying to chase you guys down because it's futile for us.
Yeah.
Okay, so that in and of itself, I appreciate that. Okay, it tells me you guys are at least trying to obey the law while having fun on cool bikes. Second, time and a place, right?
Yes.
Pick a better spot.
Yes, sir.
To do the stupid. Cool.
All
right. Like the bikes. Tell me about them. You guys spend all this money on these things. Tell me about them.
Do you ride?
I used to do desert race.
Oh, wow.
So I'm a KTM 520, 525.
Okay. I appreciate it, man.
See you guys.
You guys take it.
But with this, we had 2 callers because you guys were fucking around, essentially. And I'm not asking you to dime yourself out because it's your legal right. You don't need to. But what I saw was the 4 of you guys traveling and then the Mustang. So I was like, okay, you guys aren't doing anything to endanger each other. So I was like, all right, they know each other. That's cool. And you guys are just trying to go in a clump through traffic.
That's
But
accurate.
inevitably, there's a Karen that you passed somewhere that got mad.
Yeah.
Right?
Or Steve.
And it's just, like I was saying earlier, it's time and place.
Yep.
Yeah.
They're
like-
loud, or you disorient somebody, you startle somebody
That's true.
because they're too busy looking at their phone, not doing what they should be doing,
Yeah.
watching the road.
Yeah.
And then you come up alongside and you just vroom, because it's fun to hear your exhaust that you paid a lot of money for.
When I see them on their phone, I'll give them a room and they'll be like,
Yeah,
Get off your
phone away, man. Put your phone away so I don't get killed.
yep. Have to
Yeah.
stare at them like, for them.
There's not a cop on the world that wants to come to a fatal accident, and we've all been to way too many, especially ones that involve bikes. And, you know, it's a small community, and the longer you work here, the more people you get to know. And when we show up to a serious accident, it's literally my prayer that I don't know the people that I'm there. And I've been to way too many accidents. I've arrested way too many drunks, and been to way too many things that are traumatic that I know the people that are involved. And that's it's not all about just being the heavy-handed, heavy badge cop. We care about people's safety. So, but have fun, be safe, okay?
I appreciate it.
This officer is genuinely one of the cool ones. He not only let bikers off with just a stop, but also took time to share some truly valuable advice, the kind every rider should actually listen to. It's a great reminder that not every traffic stop has to end badly, and a little respect from both sides goes a long way.
Buddy, don't get me started. Oh, buddy, don't get me started.
Is it for me?
Yep.
For me?
Both of you.
Oh, okay.
key to the bike. You're under arrest. You're not free to leave. Reckless driving. Okay. Need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
I'm gonna step off. Is that okay?
Please do.
Can
You
you
got to
just?
do fine until you hit Schuster Parkway, and then you got up the, way too fast and cutting cars off, and it's 40 miles an hour through there, and I was doing 80 trying to keep up with you guys, and I couldn't even catch up. Okay, you guys were doing fine on Rust and Way, but then you started getting really dumb once you got to Schuster Parkway. Leave that there.
The walk of shame.
Wrong spot at the wrong time. Or was it? Check out what happens next.
I didn't mean to.
Nah, you should have hit that, bro.
Oh yeah, what?
I would have stopped you.
Okay.
As long as you don't kill your up, bro.
Yeah, I got some practice on it, but I'm.
No problem, bro. It's up wrong.
Yeah. Like 24/7. Or just today.
Bro, I'm not gonna do it, man.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
If you see me, this car, I'm not gonna do it.
Okay. Yeah. You be safe.
You too, man.
To stay safe from getting pulled over, first make sure your bike is 100% street legal. Any imperfections will only draw unwanted attention.
I lost it, and I got pulled over by Amherst police, and I still have to go to your guys' station to get one.
You don't have the plate.
No, unfortunately, I don't.
Where are you going, boss?
I'm going to pick up a friend.
Okay.
You want me to pull over, man? I'm not on.
You're gonna get pulled over again? You don't have a plate on.
I have the paperwork from the last time I.
Get out of here, man.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Is it slow out here?
Bro, here's the thing. At least with us, we ain't ticket cops, man. We like chasing bros.
Oh yeah. You're at the wrong spot.
Nah, dude, trust me. We definitely know where to go.
Hell yeah.
What CC is that one?
This is a 750.
That's a 750?
Yeah.
Okay. I want a 600, but I haven't got it yet.
This is a 600.
Dude, what?
You want to check it out? You can sit on it if you want. Yeah. Come sit on it. Yeah.
Hey, so I got a question, right?
Yeah.
So I always see like right here, right?
The grips.
The grips.
Yeah.
Why do people put that right there?
So when we're on the racetrack,
Okay.
full tuck,
Yeah.
because the tank is very slippery. You want to hold on to the tank. So we put it on the sides right here.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18?
Yeah.
Wait, how do you get insurance on that? That's insane. You own 3 bikes?
2.
2 bikes?
Yeah.
Still.
I got two too.
We want to get one, me and him, so we can like start learning wheelies on private property. You know.
Private property.
Yeah.
Good answer, dude. So, what's the fastest you've gone on one of these? I knew it.
But yeah, bro, maybe when y'all get your bikes,
We
can spin the block around here. Honestly, like 90% of our rides, we're like probably the most legal high CC bikers you're gonna find. Honestly, we always run our plates. We don't speed at all. But I have dreams of us speeding on highways sometimes, but never in the cities.
Yeah.
It's alright. It's alright. Just don't cut.
Nah, man, I'm gonna have to. Hey, go get my ticket right now.